welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the all-new Curls Day collection by Mane and Tail. Before we jump into this video, I would like to give a huge shout out to the entire Mane and Tail team. Listen, wash day is no joke. It's a whole day event, all right? So for Mane and Tail to come out with an entire Curls Day collection, smells so good. I can't just get over how soft and fluffy it is. Like, it just feels so nice. Like, I can just put into all different styles, which is great. This is the point that we want to be at. We want to be able to have our hair manageable and healthy. Check, check. Good job, Mane and Tail. They looked out for us. Don't forget to use my promo code _ElenaVibes20, which will be linked down below in the description. You can go straight to their website and use my promo code to get 20% off your orders. I mean, why not save some coins, okay? I like to share products and information with you guys that I know is beneficial, that I know will help in the long run. So hop up on this Mane and Tail, okay? Don't say I ain't tell you.